Now today is Tuesday, and many of you know by now that it is the day where we get to see the NAV insurance registration from some of our favorite EV stocks like Nio. And ladies and gents, we are now getting this report coming a bit late. I don't know why Lioro is now delaying this report, because we know that after Lioro published this, then CNF Post of course publishes this report to us. So it has been coming pretty late, and I don't know if whether is it because Lioro, in terms of the NAV insurance registrations, they are not doing that well like they were doing back in Q4, or is it CNF Post that's actually taking a bit longer to now release or make these results available to everyone? So as seen on the screen, without wasting any more of your time, Nio Sold total NAV insurance registrations of around 3,000. And ladies and gents, this is for the week ending on the 24th of March, which is something that is pretty exciting. You will know that last week, or on last week's report, Nio came with 2,200, and that other week, a week prior to last, it was exactly 2,000. So we are seeing a slight improvement on these NAV insurance registrations, because though this report did not of course add these 3,000 to the 5,500 we had after last week's report for the total NAV insurance registration of the 1st to the 17th, we know that if we add these 3,000 to the 5,500, it therefore means that Nio, from the 1st to the 24th, they are currently sitting at 8,500 NAV insurance registrations. And you will know that Nio's target is to see themselves delivering vehicles of between 12,100 and 14,100. And this is the last week where Nio needs to make sure that they do whatever it takes to get to that target. So Nio is only left with roughly around 4,400 NAV insurance registrations to get to the 12,000, or at least 12,900, which will be pretty good, and I still think it's achievable, especially knowing that it is the last week of the month. And what we usually see in the last week of the month is that NAV insurance registrations always come better, or always come high, which is why I have hope to say that Nio can still get to their target. I mean, previous videos I was saying that if Nio does not come with at least 3,000 NAV insurance registrations for this week, then I don't think it will be possible, or it will be extremely difficult for Nio to get to their target. But now to see Nio having 3,000 NAV insurance registrations, I'm still confident, I'm still quite confident that Nio will get to their target. And after yesterday's video where I said that based on the waiting times of waiting delivery period for all the Nio cars, ladies and gents, 2 to 3 weeks, it means that those people that ordered the Nio models based on the, of course, promotions, based on the price cuts that Nio was introducing on their battery rentals, ladies and gents, we are going to see those orders coming to play from these NAV insurance registration report. Which do I think they are added? I think so, because Nio's waiting period is 2 to 3 weeks on most of their models. So I'm very excited. 8,500 is not that bad, and we still got this last week where Nio needs to at least deliver 4,400, which I still think that is possible. Now you will know that this NAV insurance registration excludes some of the sales, I know, there and there, but they are almost roughly there. Or when Nio reports their monthly deliveries, it's not that far off from the NAV insurance registrations, which is something that, of course, yeah, pretty solid that we might see Nio hitting, or I'm pretty sure that we'll see Nio getting to at least the lower guidance of their delivery targets they announced during their Q4 earnings. So I'm very excited, and I hope come next week on Monday we will get to see Nio, ladies and gents, when they report their March deliveries, hitting at least their delivery target they announced during their Q4 earnings. So I'm hoping for the best, and unfortunately there's no any other NAV insurance registration report that we are going to see. This is the last registration report we see before Nio officially announced their deliveries on Monday, because Tuesday you will know that is when we'll be getting to see this week's NAV insurance registration. So for the next delivery report will be the official March deliveries, which Nio will officially announce that on Monday, and I look forward to that report. But I think from this, like I said, I'm hoping and believing that Nio will get to at least their lower side of their guidance after these 3,000 NAV insurance registrations. Otherwise, we saw EV companies like Xpeng coming with 2,400 NAV insurance registrations, whilst Leo, ladies and gents, came with roughly around 7,000 NAV insurance registrations, which for Leo, ladies and gents, yeah, it appears that things are not going as planned, especially with their, of course, Mega, which, ladies and gents, apparently on this report, insurance wise, it only contributed 1,000 insurance registration in the previous week. So Mega is not selling as per what, of course, Leo expected, and it's something that resulted even in them coming out and cut their Q1 guidance or delivery guidance from over 100,000 to just over 70,000, which is something that, of course, the results are showing. Yeah, it's not that good for Leo. Otherwise, Tesla Model Y saw over 10,000 deliveries or insurance registrations rather, whilst Xpeng X9 saw 800 units. So I hope that this 3,000 is the official recovery of EV stocks like Nio, and we are going to see them maintaining these, of course, figures, at least delivering or having insurance registrations of over 3,000. That is what will make investors or the new investors to be so excited. Otherwise, with all that, guys, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the likes button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to hit or click that notification bell so that at least you get notified by YouTube every time I drop a new content. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. It is always good that before you buy Nio for the very first time, or buy the Nio stock rather for the very first time, you do your own DD so that at least you can be comfortable as you are investing onto this stock. Otherwise, that's all from me, and God bless you all.